all of us, we come from various communities. I don't know here if there are people who are enjoying their life. The cost of living has just gone too high that even me and my family, I cannot pretend to be managing 3 meals every day. Now, if I look at this government, I see what they are aspiring for. I do not see a better Zambia for tomorrow. All what I am seeing is problems as usual. Now, all of us here, are we ready to continue with the challenges that we are facing today? Me, I've said no. That's why I am here. We need fresh brains. Yes, they can say they have built roads. For me, I can say this party, the PF, was simply a contractor to make roads. They are not providing leadership to change the economic outlook of this country. They are not providing leadership to put something in our tummies.
We need a responsible government that will be a servant, provide servant leadership. Those who know that they are put there by the people to look after the people. In a democracy, it's defined as government of the people, by the people, for the people. That's what we are looking for. And we want, after 12th August, people to start asking, where were these people all this time? I welcome you to the party and I appeal to you to bring in more people, those that you are close to. The doors of this party are open, and my appeal to you party members is please let us accommodate and embrace